Meanwhile, let me open the Power BI as well. Okay. Let this application get opened. Opening the Tableau and even Excel as well. Okay, right, people. So welcome to the session of dashboard designing. Today is layout. This is day 3 actually, and we'll be learning about how we can actually use the Canva Pro and the PowerPoint for designing my dashboard layouts. Okay, so today we'll go with completely on the dashboard layouts. We'll see what all things has to be used, what all shapes I can use, how actually I can use the navigations, how beautifully I can create the buttons. So all these things I'll discuss. So in the first session, we discuss about the icons. Then again, the second session, we discuss about the buttons, then banners, then again, the side pans, and also how to add the logos, the images, right? So many things we learned. So today, what we'll do is we'll see how we can actually have the layouts. Okay, I'll just minimize all the other applications and then we'll open our PowerPoint. See, I'll do one thing. I'll open the PowerPoint. Right? Okay. So people, I'm just opening one new PPT file. Okay. And also I'll show you how you can actually design the layouts. Let me just see, the other day I just opened one file. Okay. All right. So first what we'll do is we'll understand about how the dashboard layout should be. First we'll understand the layout and then I'll just open that. Yeah, this is my layout. Okay. Just observe this. Whenever I'm actually creating the dashboard. So in the first session, or say day 1, we discuss about what is a dashboard, what all things has to be there in the dashboard, how actually we can create the dashboard layout that we just discussed theoretically. Now, if you see here, can I say this? This is some standard layout, but it doesn't mean that it has to be like this always. Now, if you see here, I have this logo. Usually, we use the logo always the left hand side on top. Why? Because whenever you open any dashboards, any websites, you see any websites also, your logo will always be on left side top. Why? Because when you open some page, always the first view goes to the left side on top, right? Or sometimes, we'll also put that in the right side. But you know what happens? Why we don't usually put that in the right side? Because the dashboard sometimes can scroll towards my right hand side, right? People, please be on mute. Please be on mute. Right. So I was talking about the layout. If you see here, say what happens if you see the logo, whatever is there, if you add that here in the right hand side, if you're actually scrolling towards the right hand side, you know what happens? The logo might get hidden. So for that reason, usually we have this in the left hand side. Similarly, we have this banner. If you just remember in day 2, we had that banner, right? We just designed some simple banners. So you can have the banners there. You can have the filters, controls. That is, suppose if you want to add some drop downs, suppose if you think that I want to add some slicers. So all these things can be taken care here. You can add that here. Otherwise also you can have those filters, controls or buttons here as well in my side pan actually. Okay. The next, see here, I have this reports. Always give more space for reports. Okay. Always give more space for reports. Why? Because that is what we're actually speaking, right? I have a huge data. If you want to show some reports, say in the form of charts, in the form of tables or anything. So this is where we'll be actually creating. So always give more space for the report section. This drop downs or say buttons, even if it is like very small buttons also fine, no problem. But make sure that the report section is more because you have to explain a lot. Okay, this is the layout. Now, when I understand the layout, there are so many things we'll have to take care That is, first thing is you'll have to understand how I should use these shapes. Shapes are very important here. If you just go to the next slide, see here, I have created one layout, a complete layout here. The other day we saw how we can create these kind of small icons, right? The small icons here, what you see. Then after that, we saw how to create the banner. Can you see that's a very simple banner? But yesterday we tried to design something, right? Then if you see here for the logo, I have one side pan here. I just added the logo here. This is my side pan. Then here all these are actually icons which can also be used as the buttons. So this is one layout. If you see here, this is entire layout. I'll show you how to design this. I'm just showing you some examples first. Now just scroll down. See, this is another layout. And if you observe this, color combination is very important. Now, most of the people actually doesn't know how to actually get the colors. I'll show you how to get the colors as well, because there are some color codes which you should actually understand properly. See, and you can see that they're all aligned very neatly. Alignment is also important. In the first day, I gave you some options, what all things actually you have to take care. So keep that also in mind. Right now, if you see next one, see here you can see I'm having this say logo, and here I have, can you see that banner? It's very simple banner, right? Then here you can see the side pan, and you can see there are some buttons here which makes us say this is enabled. Now I'll go and click on this. So this will come down, right? So it is like this is enabled. Now you can see that there is one separate highlighted some colors or something. Maybe that is for some important messages or something, right? So always make sure that if you want to highlight something, make it in dark, and the content, or say, anything. Say if all these are actually dark, make this one light. Or if this is light, this is dark. So whatever you want to highlight, if anybody sees that particular layout, you should feel that yes, this is something important, what I can easily understand. So you have to understand these things. See, next, these are all some samples which I have actually downloaded from somewhere. Why I have downloaded is, you'll get so many ideas actually. Okay. If you see here, see the sidebar, it's very simple. And you can see the title also, they've just given only the title here, no banner. And you can see the reports here. Just scroll down again. See, this is another one. Now, if you just keep scrolling down, see, there are so many. See, can you see this? This one and the one which I have designed, they are same, right? But not, it's like, I've used something similarity. That's it. I've not copied the entire thing. Whenever you see any designs like this, don't replicate exactly. Just take the idea. Okay, see this layout I've designed, I've taken, but I've not used the entire thing same. Slightly I've changed. Why? Because see, you have to refer something, but you have to also put your ideas as well. See, just scroll down, see. There are so many various different. This also I've used. You can use this one. See, this, it looks very, these things, if you see, people will actually feel that, oh, this is very difficult to create. No, it's very easy actually. Very easy. Just take one sidebar, then again one layout, very simple actually. I told you, merging of the different shapes. We can use all these things and we can use it here. Okay. Next, see, you see that this one thing highlighting. All the others are dark color. This is one, light color. Why? Because that is something very important, or say something which speaks more about that particular entire project, right? So all these things you'll have to plan accordingly. See, so many, different dashboards. And here there are some links as well. I'll send this PPT if you want. These links are actually for, more designs. They are actually paid. Okay. But what I'm telling is you don't have to pay for that. And again, download that and use it. Don't do that. I'm giving you more than 10,000 templates completely free. You can use it. And also I'm giving you the knowledge of how you can create by your own. So you don't have to go and again spending money on that. I told you in the yesterday session itself that I want my students not to spend much on anything. Okay. So I'm trying to give you as much as possible from my side. So please keep it with you. But I always request everyone that again, you don't take that and go and sell it. There are some people who do that. Don't do that, because this particular templates, what I'm actually sharing it with you, it is actually the efforts of someone. I have purchased this for money. Okay. But I'm giving it to you so that it will be useful for you. But again, I'm telling you, you should not sell it to someone because it's actually the hard efforts of someone else. Okay. Again, I'm not taking the credit. Again and again, I'm telling these templates which I'm actually sharing it with you. Some of them are mine, but some of them are actually done by someone else. So we have to thank always those people who have given us for free or very less cost or something. Let's not take the credit. Okay. Right. So now we understood about the layouts and things like that. Now I'll show you some simple steps how we can create the entire layout, which will help you in designing the images for your dashboards. Okay. Now let me messaging. Okay. Let me just take one new PPT. So I've taken a new PPT. You might ask why PPT. See, PPT is very easy to learn and you can do a lot many things which is required for dashboard designing or animations or presentations or something. You don't have to be a master in Photoshop, CorelDRAW, these kind of advanced graphic tools or say softwares. But I'm not telling that don't learn. If you have a chance, if you are interested, please learn. It's good actually. But suppose if you don't have that much of patience or say that much of time, go with PowerPoint. Otherwise, we have Canva Pro, which is more easier than PPT as well, more advanced options than PPT as well. But PPT is always available in our system. Canva Pro is not available. We have to go either with the free, and free will not give you all the options. And I am giving you the Pro version, which is completely free, which you can use it with more advanced options. Okay. All right. Now, usually the layouts, how they'll create. We'll go here, insert, and we can go here. There are so many various different shapes. Usually what people will do is in Power BI or in Tableau, how they do? They'll go here. They will not even bother about the side banner, layout, nothing. You know how they'll do? They'll straight away go and they'll start. I don't have the data, but just I'll show you. See, they'll click on the charts. Okay, the chart is there. One chart, then again one more chart. I'm not using the data. I'm just creating the layout. You know what they do? They'll go here. They'll put one more chart like this. One table. Okay, they'll just add all the reports here. That's all over. And then one text on top. They think this is the dashboard what I've created. And since Power BI is very easy because you just create one chart, drag and drop, you'll get the reports. One slicer or say one drop down. Over. This is what the dashboard. No, I'll show you. Let me go to PPT. Okay. Now, let me just create one simple layout for you. How to create? Go to the shape. There are so many various different shape. If you are actually working on a corporate presentation, make sure that you are using some standard and also something which is very much impressive, easy to use shapes. Don't use, I've seen some people, if they say something different, they'll go with something like this. Don't go with these kind of layouts and all jazzy colors. Don't do that. Corporate presentation should be as simple as possible. Now let me go here and take this shape. Usually what I do is I'll take this shape, see, and put it like this, and I can arrange it like this. Okay. Now this color, whatever is there, we'll try to change. I'll go here. Fill color. Usually I'll give this light gray, or anything related to the client's colors. Let me go here, and the border you can have, say, something very light, that also something very light like this. And the thickness you can reduce, you can go here. Weight, you can reduce this. This is one layout over. My layout is done. This is one layout you can take. That's also fine. This you can do in Power BI also, where you can go and change the background color, right? But I want something more advanced way, some modern way. Then let me go here. This time what I'll do, I'll not use this kind of things. What I'll do is I'll go to this insert and I'll say shape. You just see here, I have one shape like this. It also showed you, right? For creating the side span. Now this one, I'll rotate it like this. If you think, rotating like this is difficult for some people, it is like very difficult to use the mouse. Don't worry. You can go to shape format Here you have the rotate, and here you can see more rotate options. You can see here we have all the percent. You see rotate 270%. I'll make it as 90. See what happens. You can go here, the degrees you can give. So you can give specific percentage as well, say degree as well. Now I'll say I want this to be 270. Now see, now let me keep it here. Let me just open one layout for you. Most of the layouts, okay, they'll be like this. Can you see that? The corner, yeah. I'll show you how to do this also if you want quickly. See, most of them actually will be the curved edge. Okay, you can have the sharp edge as well. That is left to you. See, can you see the sidebar here? The side pan very small. So you can go, you can adjust. Say I'll go here, adjust it. Say this is very small. If you want like this, see, increase this like this. Right now, I'll just keep it here, and then I'll go to this fill, check the colors of, say, the website or the template or whatever. Now, how to get the exact color? That is also one more thing. Most of the people doesn't know how to get the exact color. Let's say I'll do one thing. I'll go to the website. I'll go to our website. Say, assume that I want, let's say this color. Okay, I want to take this color. Now, how to get this color? If it is like black, we can say black. If I say there is something orange, we can take orange. But I want exactly, say this color, somewhere this color. I don't know how to take the color. Do we know the name of that? No, it's very difficult. We have 16 million colors or something. Okay, I'm not sure about the exact colors. Now I want exactly with this color somewhere here. So what to do with this? There's a simple idea for this. What we'll do, take a screenshot, or we can also go here and we can take the snip tool. What is that snip tool, right? Just snipping or whatever. I can just go here, just take only this. It will copy and then I will paste it. See, can you see this? How to do this? You can hold Windows key, Shift key and press S. Windows, Shift and S, you will get the snipping tool. If you are so much difficult, you're finding it difficult, don't worry. You also have this function key and print screen. But the thing is, print screen will give the entire screen like this. Anything is okay. Then after that, what should I do? See here, select this particular shape. Select that shape and then I'll go to the shape format. Can you see here this shape? Select, and here I have this eyedropper. Select this and click anywhere, whichever color you want. See, anywhere. Say, let's say I want this color. Click on this. See, I want something like this blue color. Go here and I'll select and say. See, isn't it easy? This is how you have to do exact colors. People, again, I'm telling you, these things, most of them will not even tell. So, they'll just go, they'll say right click, and then they'll say format shape. They'll be keep on trying to adjust here. Let me go here. Say, let's say that more colors. They'll try to keep on adjusting. Okay. Don't do that. You have very simple thing where you can go here and say eyedropper, go select anywhere, whichever color you feel it's good, select over. Eyedropper. Got it? This is one way where you can actually do. Otherwise, you also have this exa values. What is that exa values? I'll tell you. You can go here, say, you can also make a note of the colors. Say if you are in some other PPT or Word or Excel or somewhere, you can also take this red, green, and blue color as well. Now, suppose if you think that it's very difficult, can you see this hex? Go here, you can copy this. This you can do in Power BI also. If you attended my Power BI session, I told you how to actually for conditional formatting, we can use these colors. Okay, we can create a measure by using this hexa values as well, X value as well. Okay, all right. So now, since we are learning only this this dashboard designing, so let's concentrate only on this. Now my work is done. I will delete this. If you think I want the gradient color like this, that also you can do. How? Let's say I want some gradient color like this. So there is one dark color here, light color here. How to do that? Right click. Let me quickly show you. I'll not waste much time. Gradient. Now I have to go to gradient, correct? Gradient means more than two colors. Sorry, more than one color mixture. Then I'll go here. Say linear. Here we'll say I want this direction. Say here I want the dark color and the other side I want the light color. How to do that? Say here I'll just remove all the points. Let me just take, I think we should take a different direction. This one. Okay, let's try. Yeah. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll select this and I'll take this eyedropper. I'll take the dark color. And here I'll select another point and I'll select the light color. Can you see that? If you think this has to be inverted, then what I'll do, I'll just go here. I'll change this position. You can also increase this or decrease this. See, understood? Now let me select this. Remove the outline. Usually I don't keep the outline for this so that it looks good like this. So let me delete this. Now hold Control Shift, make a copy of it. I told you we can reverse it, right? Now how to reverse that? Go to rotate, shape format, rotate. See, flip like this. Can you see this? I will keep it here and I'll increase this. Let me increase this. And here we'll reduce this curve like this. Okay. Now this part, this is my report layout, correct? So what I'll do, I'll select here. I'll try to give some light color. Let's say more fill colors. Custom. I click format shape. Say solid fill. And I want this color. Let me reduce the, just make it very light blue like this. See, which actually matches this. You can give any color. I'm just giving you some idea, but make sure that you'll give some nice layout and colors. Can you see here? I want some buttons or something here, right? Suppose if you think my side pan is like very small for the buttons, you can still increase this. Try to increase this and reduce this curve. Always, whenever you're increasing the shape, right click, send it back. See, beautiful. It is easy, right? Now, after this, I want some report layout here. I want some banner there. You can create the banner here itself. So what I'll do, let me create the banner here. Say I'll go here, insert. I'll take one shape. Let me take this shape itself like this, rotate, and I'll keep it here. Reduce this, increase the still here. And you can also zoom. If you think that's very difficult to see, you can zoom, hold control and the scroll bar. Remove the outline always. And this one, I'll try to change the color to something else. This is a banner. So I'm just using all the simple ones. People, you can use the color whichever you want. Okay. I'm just giving you this. Done. Now for this, I want the logo. Please use the logo in the Power BI itself or in the Tableau itself. Why? Because when I add any image here and then convert that into picture, you know what happens? The resolution will come down. You can see that there is some slight blur. Okay. So there are a few things which you have to go to Power BI or Tableau and then import. But these kind of things, it is difficult to actually work in the Power BI or Tableau. So whichever is difficult, you do it here only. Now for me, I have one side pan, one banner, and one report layout. Okay. So what I'll do, Now I have the buttons which we had created previously, right? Yesterday we created some buttons also. We'll try to use that as well. Now what I'll do, I will select this, right click and say save as picture. Now here I will go to, let me go to my dashboard. Here only, we'll just save all this here. Say background image. Okay, save. Now let me go to Power BI. Okay, now I'll go to this Power BI. Let me delete all this. Okay, and now what I'll do is right click and say format canvas. People who doesn't know about Power BI, canvas is nothing but the place where we actually create the reports. Now I'll go to this canvas. You can see that we'll get the format tab for the canvas. And here we have this canvas background. And let me copy the path where we have saved the background image. And I'll go to Power BI. Let's say browse. And here I will select this layout. Done. Now you'll be surprised. Where is that layout? It is not there at all. We just imported. Don't worry. See here, transparency. All these are actually is very important. Transparency means it is making it transparent. 100% transparent. Let me make it 0%. Can you see now? But still it is not good. I'm not finding it in the exact layout. Then what I'll do, I'll go here. Can you see this? We didn't take the exact size and create. Now I'll go here and I'll say fit. Can you see that? Fit. And you have something called as fill as well. This will fill the entire canvas. You just see whichever is finding it, correctly fitting, then use that option. Usually normal will be slightly difficult unless and until you take the exact measurement. Otherwise, see, I got this. Right. Now I got this layout. I want to add the logo. I showed you how to add the logo. I'll go to this insert and here I have this image. So I have the logo somewhere here. Let me quickly go here and then insert. Already shown you, but still, quickly we'll go here. Say logo, see, and I'll minimize this. And people, again, I'm telling it is not compulsory that you have to keep the logo here only. You can keep it anywhere you want, but I prefer always in the left hand side on top. Okay. Now here we can add the text. Again, I'll not go with all these texts and things like that. Now here I want the buttons, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to insert image. And here we just created some buttons, right? This one, created one more. Okay, let's take this only. Might be the colors might not match, but since again I don't have time to create, so we'll go here and try to take this buttons. See, you can say Control C, Control V. Can you see that? See, don't you feel it looks good, right? So people actually think that creating these kind of things are very advanced or something. Nothing, very easy. Now we also had some round buttons. Let me take that as well quickly. This one. Just select here and keep it somewhere here. Let me reduce this. Thing is, you should have a lot of patience so you can use it like, or we can keep it somewhere here like this. All the 4 buttons. See. What about the reports? For the reports, you can go here. I'll say insert here. I have the shape. Take this shape. Okay. And then I'll keep it here because we are just using it only for the layout. Now you might ask, you could have created this in the PowerPoint itself. Why are we actually creating here? People, there are a few things which you should not create in the image. Why? Because now the reports, whatever I'm creating, I don't know. Sometimes the size might change. The reports you might have to change. So again and again, I have to change the background image. So instead, for few things, I can go here. Let's say I want some layout like this. I'll go to the format, double click on this, it'll take you to the format tab. shape. Here we have the color. I'll make it white color and then I'll make it transparent like this. See, transparent. I'll remove the border. Let me select this rounded corner. We'll just make it a smaller one. I'll make it as 5 and then scroll down border. Slightly you can see that. Suppose if you think you want to increase that transparency, let me make it as 15 and see. Because the background is also light, it might, but we have the shape here like this. So you can change the color if you want. So what happens inside this, if I put my chart, it looks very good. Okay, understood. So this way we can actually use the layout. And one more advantage is you can go to this view. Here we have the layouts, say the themes. You can change the themes however you want. For this, you can go to this custom current theme. Click on this custom current theme. Here what happens? It will give me all the options where I can go here. Say suppose if I create one chart, what happens? The colors might change. So you can go here. You can change the colors according to my background image what I've created. Okay, so all this actually you'll be learning in the dashboard session. So I'll be teaching you all this in the dashboard session because the dashboards what you'll be learning, that is the reports. That is, I told you, we'll be learning only about the designing, right? From next week onwards, we'll be learning about the reports, right? Report automations and all. In that reports, I'll tell you how actually you can change all these colors. Then the text, if you see here, I have this text. We can change this to default. So this is called as the custom theme where I can actually, go here, change all the colors and things like that. So next time, whenever any charts are created, automatically it will get turned here like this. Okay. Just canceling it. How about Tableau? Let's go here. I'll take a new template here, the dashboard. Here, I'll say image. Just drag the image. It asks for the image. Say choose. We go here. We created one image. Right? Let me just take this. I'll take the path. Same thing. Just go here. Paste it. Select this. Say okay. Say okay. See. Here we're supposed to fit that. Say format. Fit image. See. Understood? Same concept, but slightly some options will change. So here again, I can import my buttons here and I can put that. For that, you have to go here, say hold shift and drag your image like this. So choose and I'll take the button from here. Say fit image, center of the image. Okay. Reduce this and you can keep it like this. See, always create PNG. I told you yesterday. Otherwise, what happens? You'll get that white color background. It looks very bad, or it won't look nice. Okay. So likewise, you can use this. So this is the way where you can actually design. You can go to PPT. You can design so many things, people. So many things. Let me just walk you through quickly, and then we can start our Canva Pro. So here I have designed few things. Let me just quickly show you, and then we'll go for Canva. So many files which I've created. Okay, see here the background images. See, let me just show you. See the images. See, this is one layout I've created. This is one layout. See, you saw that one template I showed right in the PPT. So likewise, you can create it. This is one more template. See, this one also we saw right. See, and I'll show you the PPT as well. So I have the PPT here where I created all this, background image. See, I showed you one template, right? This one. So can you see this is the shape what I've used like this. Can you see that the image? Yesterday I showed how to cut that image. All these are very simple. I just have to go explore. Okay. All right. So let me close this. And also let me just see before we start Canva, I'll just try to check. There's one more thing I want to show you. Let me just see if it is there. Dashboard. It's okay. Say this dashboard. Let me just open this. This is one dashboard which I have created. And you can just check the template as well. Can you see this? Remember this template? We saw this in the PPT here in the layout. See this? Can you see this template? Yeah. So if you see this, see, but if you see, it's not exactly same. The concept I've used almost same. See, and if you just see here all these, I think I showed you yesterday this one. Same thing. I have done this in the Power BI as well. See this one. Same thing. I'll open that as well. After this, I'll start the Canva. Okay. Take some time actually. The people, you have to first decide my designs, my thoughts, how actually I can make my presentation or say dashboard looks very good, how I can navigate from one report to another report. So whatever I'm showing now is just the designing part. From next week onwards, it will be reporting. People have, registered for dashboard designing, automation and reporting, and also people for the career accelerator, the complete package. So you'll be getting all this reporting and automations from next week. Okay, so you can attend that session. If anybody is interested also, message me so that I'll tell you how to actually continue the session. Shravan, yes, you can do the interactive as well. So what I'm teaching now is only designing part. People, again, I'm telling whatever I'm teaching now is just the designing part. I'll show you the dashboard, which I have created. Meanwhile, I'll show you, see how interactive it is. See, here we have this, right? So let me just go here, 2015. So this will get refreshed. System has become very slow. A lot of applications are opened. See, they're all interact. Means they're getting refreshed, say in April. See, see, this also you can go here, say in January. See, you can go here, I can work on map. See, can be interactive. We can do that interactive. So if anybody is interested to learn this kind of advanced dashboard, reporting and things like that, message me. I'll tell you. Okay, but for that, it is actually paid work. So I'll tell you how to actually get. People have already taken the career accelerator and dashboard automation reportings. You can still continue from next week, but people who have not registered, suppose if you think you want, message me. I'll tell you how you can actually continue. Okay. Right. So let me close all this. And now we'll come to Canva Pro and see what all things we can do for designing my layout, which is more easier than the PPT. Okay. Now let's forget everything. Let's forget all this PPT. Now, how to work on this Canva? Okay. Now, most of the people have already got your Canva. If you already filled the form and still you have not got, don't worry. It will take some time because there are so many people who have messaged us to get the license. So we have to check, are they eligible, or they, can we give them? And also you have to create your profile. A lot of things are there to give you the account. Okay, because just like that, I cannot give for everyone. So we are just checking everyone and then we are actually trying to give the license. So please wait. If you already got it, is fine. If not, please wait. You will get if you have filled the form. If you not fill the form, I'll give you the link. You can fill the form and then get the Canva Pro. Now I'll just go here. See, I'll open this canva.com and here I'm already logged in. So this is my Canva layout. People, I'll tell you, it is very, very simple say online designing tool. Very, very simple. Okay. And you can see here, I have not many things. There's a big course itself for that. But since we don't have much time, whatever is possible in this given time, I'll just explain so that you people can, design whatever you want. Now, first thing is how to design, how to start the design. Okay. In PPT and all, what we do, we'll say Control N, we'll get new presentation or say new slide. We can start inserting images, charts, and everything. But how to work on these online tools, especially with this Canva? If you go here, can you see here? I have this create design. I'll click on this design. People, here it's not only about one kind of application you can design. You can specify whatever design you want. You see here, there are so many options you can design. For Instagram, you want to design, for Facebook, for LinkedIn, for YouTube, anything you can mention there. I want to prepare my profile, say resume, A4 size. Yes, you can do that. Anything you want to design, you can specify. You can also customize the design as well. If you want to create the video also, you can go here. You can create the video. See, I have created so many designs for my ads, or it can be for presentations or anything. Now, let's say I want to create one layout. I forgot the size. Let's say custom size. You can go here for custom size and last for how many centimeters, inches. Let me just make it as 16 by 9. Okay. And then I'll say create new design. You can give whatever size you want. I'm just taking the 16 by 9. I'll say create new design. Okay, see, I'll get one blank layout. Once I get the blank layout, people, here I have so many templates. This is what I'm telling, right from scratch what you are creating. I'll show you where you'll get the ready template as well. See here, I can click on any of this. Say, for example, I want dashboard. See, running this dashboard. Let me go here and let me just take this, click on this. See, I just clicked on something. I got this layout. See, now this layout, if you think, let me keep as is, you can do that. Otherwise, you can go here, you can change all this, say, for example, dashboard profile, let it be as is. Now, how to take this to my Power BI or Tableau or even to Excel? So what, see, I'm not done anything. I just took only template, right? Did I do any design? Nothing. There was a template. I just inserted the template. Now I need to take this to my say where to my Power BI or Tableau or Excel. So what I'll do, I'll go here, I'll say share. Just I took the template, that's all. Share, it'll ask to download. Can I say this? I'll say download. And here it'll ask for PNG. Again, I'm telling go for PNG. I'll say download. This is without any design, nothing. I'm not doing anything. It is downloading. Downloading is completed. Done. See, there is one design. This one. Now how to take this? Anyways, already I know how to take the image to my background in the Power BI. I'll go to this canvas background. Let's say browse, and here I have this template. Say okay. See the templates. Now let me go here and I'll say fit. See, I'll take some text box, insert text box, and here we'll say total sales. I'm just creating something and I'll keep it like this. Let me select center. I want some blue color like this, bold, E caps. Yes, caps. Okay. Now let's say I'll go to format, remove the background. See, I'm just giving an idea. This is not actual project. See, we can go here and you can remove this image from here. Say in the Canva, what I'll do, I'll remove this image. I can remove this. See, remove this. You can add your image there, or you can have that. I'll tell you in the dashboards how actually you can dynamically change the images. So here I can add some images, some profiles, and things like that. Simple, readily available. All this. Let's say now I'll go here. Let me take one more. I'll go here. See, there is one more dashboard here, like this. See, I want to do some changes. I can go here. I can change. Say I'll go here. Next, I'll take one more. Let's say I'll take this. See. I want to remove few things. Say I'll go here and remove this. Not required for me. See? I can save this. I can import it. I want to design this from scratch. Let me go here. See here, I have something called as elements. We'll have so many elements. So many things are there. What is that? Let's say I'll go here. Say, I want icons. Just say icons. See, I'll get so many icons here. Okay, so before that, I want some background image, say background, just type background. See, in this again, say I have these photos, I want videos. See, you can go here, but you cannot take the video for Power BI at all. If you want to design, I'm just telling you. See, let me go to all. You can see that I have all this here. Let's say I want to take something like this. See, keep it here like this, drag it. See, I want the shapes now. Go to this elements, just scroll down. Can you see that shapes? See all, see all the shapes. There are so many various different shapes here. Let me take that, keep it here. Here also we can change the color. Say, can you see here? See, here also will have this. Can you see the eyedropper? I want to change this color to something like this. See? Copy this, paste it, keep it here, drag it, and I'll change the color here. Say transparent, but I'll give the border this color. Sorry. Select this, save border. See, can see the border here. Understood? Now I can take this save this as image. You know how to save this, right? Go here, say share, share as PNG, again import it over. I want some images. Say I'll go here, go to elements. You can see this graphics. See? So many, there are hell lot of thousands of options are. Apart from this, let me go to this apps. Click on this apps. And here there are so many apps, say AI powered. Can you see here? All these are AI tools. Whatever you go and try to purchase, there are more than thousands of AI tools here. Not only for images, you can type some prompts and convert that into videos or something. There are some paid AI websites and all, right? So you will get all these inside this Canva Pro itself. You don't have to go and see here. You can try, because I'm not here to train all this. I'm just telling you there are so many actually. See, just go and explore. There are so many thousands of apps available. Now let me just go here to apps, and for me I want this. Let me just take this. See, Pixabay. Okay, see, click on this. You'll get all the images here. See, there are so many images. So what? Let me just see if I can get corporate images. See, go here and just click on this. Just click on that. See, want to make it transparent. Go here. Can you see this transparency? Right. And suppose if you think I want to edit image, go here. Click on the see. You can go. You can change the color. Let me just remove the transparency. See, you can change it. Everything is simple, people. You can go and you can start exploring yourself. A lot of things you can. And the advantage here, let me also show you. See, I'll go here. There is something called as upload. You can go here. See, there are so many images. Suppose if you think, I want to remove the background. Easily you can remove the background as well. So many designs I've done. I myself don't know how many designs I've done. You don't want the background, you can just select the image. Click on that. Done. Over. Okay. Let me just take the C. Usually I use this image only. You've seen this image many times, right? In all my posters, and I'll go to edit image and say background remove. Oh, that's all. See, we can crop this. See, how simple it is. You don't have to go to Photoshop, crop all that, nothing. And let me just show you something. See, here I have this magic eraser. You can erase magic grab. You have an image. You have an image. In that we have text. You can grab the text. See here, grab text. Let me just give a try. Just see. Okay. See here, this is an image actually. Can you see that? This is not text, right? This is an image. Now, let me just go here. I'll select this image. Just observe. I'll go to this edit image, grab text. See? Select this, hold shift and select all the other text, whichever you want. You can select and say grab. Or any text. See? And it is editable. Let me take one more. Let me just see. Let me just see if I can take this one. And just try. I'm not sure. It's an image, right? You can see the Taj. Let's see if we can take that. Wrap text. See? Grab. That's a logo actually, right? Just taking one shape, which I can put it behind that. Let me increase. See? Can you see this? We can grab the text like this. You can't even imagine so many options are there in Canva. Not one day is enough. It's a very big course actually. I'm not taking any course for Canva Pro. I'm giving you this application which you can use for any kind of thing. Say you put some text, convert that into video. You can do that. You don't have to go and again purchase some AI tools for that. So many things are there here. But this is only for designing. Don't think that you can use like a chat. Chat GPT is there in this. What I'm telling is like if you think that for Excel or Python or programming and all, I'm not sure whether you can use it here or not. Right? But Canva is actually for designing tool where you can give some text and you can get the design as you wish. You don't have to pay for any other AI tools. I showed you, right? There are so many AI tools here where you can go and you can go to apps. Enough. Okay, here you get so many apps actually. See, you can create a bulk, say, reels or images or anything you can. I use most of the time these kind of AI tools only for my designs. All these are free. Okay, some of them. Okay, I'm not telling that everything will be free. Some of them actually might ask the money. I don't know. For that, I cannot give you guarantee that everything will be free. But this Canva Pro, I will give it free. You can take it. You can use it. Okay, please work on this. It's not that I'll tell each and every options. You can work on this. But our main aim is from next week when you are actually creating the reports, you people should be aware of how we can actually create various different designs. And also what I'm telling is make sure that you people will start understanding about the client requirement, their mentality, and also the color schemes, how these people actually prefer. And most thing is the dashboard design should be very simple. Don't make it too jazzy, too much of images or something. Because it should be like very simple when they see, it should look very good, very impressive. And something more innovative as well. Something new. Always taking the same kind of dashboards. People will not like something innovative should be there. Okay. Right. So people online, first I'll come to you people. Um, so thank you so much. And as promised, I have tried to teach you people some ideas about. I cannot say basic, advanced, or intermediate. I can only say that I just try to explore a few things which I had promised you that I'll be teaching you some dashboard designing, the layouts and things like that. But it'll take a lot of time for you to practice and experience it and experiment it and then implement it. That is left to you. But otherwise, I think that I've given you some idea which will help you in next further creating the dashboards and also some ideas about designing as well. Okay. All right. So I have few links which I've already shared. So for this, I will be sharing all the links. Before that, I'll give 1 minute to all the 24 people who are there online. How was the session? So quickly, I want all of you, either you can unmute and answer or you can message anything. I'll just give 1 minute. After that, I'll give you the link for certificate of participation and also the link for Canva Pro free license. And then I'll be giving you the bonus link, which you can have it quickly. Okay, all right. Thank you so much, people. Now, let me just give you the link first. Okay, main thing is what people always come. That is for the certificate of participation. Okay, Arvind, don't worry. Anybody who have missed the sessions, day one, day two, already it's there in the YouTube channel. And also you can go and check in the community channel. I've already given the links there. You can take that. Otherwise, also today I'll be giving you day one, day two, day three, all three sessions. So you can, watch there as well. Okay. This is the certificate of participation. I want all of you, please copy this or whatever. If you already filled it is fine. For you people, I'll be sending you. Please message me. I will send you. Okay. Because I don't want to put this in the community channel. Otherwise, 4,000, 5,000 people will start asking for certificate even though they have not attended. So I don't want to give the certificate for people who have not attended. So this is late came candidate solution provider. What solution? It's not opening, is it? 1 minute, wait. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now you just try, people. Just click on this. It is opening for me actually. Just check once again. It should open. Again, I'll paste it. Is it opening now? Yes. Okay. I think you copied together. That's why it does not open. Okay. Fine. So this is for the certificate of participation. If you guys need offline, message me. I will send you something. Okay. Right. Next one. Canva free account. For this, you need to fill this form. If you already got, don't worry. If you have still not got, this is the form what you have to fill. Okay. Fill this form so that we can know that it is for the right person we're actually giving. We don't just like that give for everyone who actually don't use also, but we'll be losing one account because we have very less accounts and let's give only for those who are really in need. Okay. Right. Next. What shall I give the next one? Yes. The bonus link. All of you. I've showed you what the bonus you will have. Let me just paste. This is the bonus link. I've given the bonus link. Now what bonus? Just giving you one sample here. Can you see this? These are all the icons what we have. Similarly, I have the infographics, the background images. There are so many actually. See here, we have more than 10,000 actually icons. Similarly, I have the infographics. I have the background images. Let me show you that in the Telegram. See. Okay. So in front of you, I'll just add all. And people, this is downloadable. You can download. Okay, and you can use it for yourself, but do not again resell this. Okay. Right. The next link. Join the community so that you people can actually keep getting all the information about our next free sessions or anything related to data analytics. Okay. I'm giving one by one because you should not get confused. And for people offline, don't worry. I'll send you the link. You can use it later. Okay. What is the next one? You can connect with me in the LinkedIn if you're still not connected. Okay. Right. So many links, don't worry. That's why I'm just giving one by one. Bonus link I've already sent. Let me copy this. Again, I'll paste it. The bonus link. Okay. Apart from all this, one main thing is I want the people to give us the Google review if you're still not given. If you already given, that's fine. But suppose if you're not given, please give the Google review here in this link. Okay. And anybody wants to follow on my YouTube channel and Instagram, I'm giving that link as well. So please use this link. So many links, don't get confused. Go one by one. Otherwise, message me. I will send you separately. My number is 9902058793. Okay. Right. So people, thank you so much. And if anybody wants to join for the reporting sessions and the automation sessions, please contact me or Suma. We will guide you, but that will be paid, but not too heavy amount. So we'll tell you that will be paid. So if you are interested, you can message us. Okay. I hope all of you got the links. Still not yet got, so you can message me. I will give the links. Okay. All right, people. So take care, all of you. Thank you so much for attending these sessions. Day 1, day 2, day 3. I will send you the certificate. If you think you want to post it in your LinkedIn, please also tag me and iTech Analytics Solutions. You will be getting the bonus. Okay. All right. So all of you take care. Bye bye.